What's up, everyone? If you are looking for a simple juicing recipe, this is it. 7 oranges, 5 carrots, and 2.5 inches of ginger. Now, I'm not gonna lie, peeling those oranges was a little bit annoying, but that was literally the hardest part of this entire recipe. We are using the Breville juicer today, and we are setting it at low for both the oranges and the carrots. Now, you want to take the peel off the oranges, and that's because the peel is a little bit bitter, so to keep some of that bitterness out, we take off the peel. Now, pro tip here as we are grinding up these carrots, get your fruits and veggies at a wholesale club like BJ's or Costco. Fruit can get expensive. I live in the New York area. I saw apples for about $1 each, which is crazy at the local supermarket. So save yourself some money, especially if you're going to be juicing a lot, and go to Costco. This recipe made a ton of juice. I was able to fill up 2 of these 18-ounce glass jars, as well as another glass of about 10 to 12 ounces. So I did have to make this in 2 batches. As you can see on the right, there's some fruit and veggies left over. Just put about half in, fill up a jar, put the cup back, and then grind up the rest of it. That is all for today. You're going to love this. It's refreshing. It makes you feel so good in the morning. Put some in the fridge. It lasts for a day or 2, and I'll see you next time.